I got these little cookie bags that are food safe and they're specifically to put edible treats in, and then you can seal them up. And it has this heat sealable plastic on it, and I'm going to show you how that works. Or if you don't want to heat seal it because you're not too worried about that, or if you're giving something that is not baked and it's just packaged already, you can just fold it over. It comes with these little stickers that say handmade with love. So if you want to use those, you can. I got these so that I could do some testing for some other labels that I make and put them on there. But these come with the bags, and there's enough to use them for all the bags. So you can get these to give to your friends at Christmas or during the holidays or for party treats or favor bags, something like that. It's difficult to pull these off once you do put the sticker on, but it is possible. So if you're doing something that you don't want people to be able to tamper with, if it's just a cookie or something like that, you can heat seal them because yes, it is possible that you can carefully peel the stickers off and get into it. So what I did to test this out, I found an old flat iron. I don't have a heat sealing machine. If you have a heat sealing machine, that makes it a lot easier. But you can use a flat iron or a curling iron for this. And I think I started with like 5 seconds, and that wasn't quite enough. It was pretty sealed, but you want to melt that plastic to itself so that it seals it completely. So if you take a flat iron or a curling iron, or maybe just a regular iron, a steam iron, and just hold it onto this for about 10 seconds, that's enough to make that plastic kind of seal to itself. And that way you can't open the package. So if you have homemade cookies or something, this plastic will stick to itself with the heat, and then you really can't open it and tamper with it. If you hold the heat on there long enough, it will completely seal the plastic on the inside of that fold to itself. And then it's really, really difficult to open this up without tearing the paper, number one. But you also can't open it without opening without ripping the plastic open. It'll be very obvious if someone tries to get into this, and the plastic is still sealed even though that paper is tearing there. So it is possible to seal these completely if you need that to be something like a food safe item. Obviously, if you have a heat sealing machine, that's the best way to do it because that'll give you the best seal. But even just with this little flat iron, I could not open this up once I held it on there long enough. So it is good for food safety, and it's just a cute little packaging thing if you want to use it for party favors or something like that.